I decided to make my own camera stand because I was having a problem getting really close up to get those close up shots in awkward spots. So what I did, I found this old brass lamp stand. Now, you wouldn't have to be using brass, you could use just a chunk of metal like this. It wouldn't matter. I also found this L-shaped piece that's threaded. Now this could be made out of ready rod, or if you had some round stock and just put a little bit of thread on the end here. This is basically a nut. It's a fancy little knob, but I had it, so why not use it? And screw this into here like so. And lock it up like so. Now all cameras have a hole, a threaded hole. That's a 1/4 hole. And I made this, I'll take it apart so you can see what I'm doing here. I took a piece of 1/2 inch aluminum and I drilled and tapped it all the way through from one side to the other for a 1/4. Then I made this little wheel. It has a hole in the center that has a 1/4 thread in it, and it threads onto this piece. Now this actually could stick out a little farther. If I were doing it again, I'd have it stick out a little farther. But this is designed to fit in the 1/4 hole in the bottom of your camera. So it screws right on, and then this little wheel, you could turn it to lock it against the camera. This other thing, this could just be a 1/4 hex head nut or anything you want, as long as it's 1/4. And it fits into the other side of the threaded hole that you've created. This whole thing slides onto here, and you're able to get it in the position you want and then tighten it up like so. So you have the ability to move it around from one side to the other, up and down, and you can really get it in close to get those close-up shots. Whereas with a tripod, you're not going to get in really close because of the feet on the tripod. So we'll demonstrate this for you. You can see how it works. Okay, we've got the camera mounted on the stand, and the stand is mounted on the lathe saddle. As we move in and out, we're going to be moving the camera with the lathe saddle. And we're going to take a cut off the piece that you see in the chuck, and this is what it looks like when taken with the camera on our new stand. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.